Hey guys and gals, this is Mike. Thanks for joining me on this quick informal video. Just wanted to give you an update on some things that we've been up to. Now, I don't know if you guys belong to a wholesale club like I do, but I do belong to BJ's Warehouse, and there's actually a program that helped me get a pretty good discount on my Ford Mustang. I was unaware of the program. I actually was contracted to get my Mustang. It was on order. I waited for a 2019. You can see some of my previous videos on things that I did during that waiting period. I'm really glad I waited for the car. When I went to pick up the car and I went to pay for the car, I actually received a surprise discount. The promotion that was running at the time that I bought the car apparently wasn't available at the time that I originally contracted. I contracted in May, bought the car in October. Between that time, this program became available. Well, the BJ's Warehouse, the auto buying program with Ford, allowed me to get a discount on my Ford Mustang, and it also entitled me to receiving a $250 gift card to BJ's. If you guys belong to a warehouse club, it certainly pays to find out whether there is an auto buying program and, look into it. It may be that there's a program available you didn't know about, just like in my case. I just thought I'd share that quick story, and maybe it will apply to you. Maybe it'll help you too. Okay, we're running some errands, so pause that thought. I will be right back. Okay, first errand, I didn't time it too well. I picked up the mail from the P.O. box, but I had to drop something off at the counter, and that is this. This is from Craven Speed. This is one of the stubby antennas that I purchased. Now, I'll give you a quick update on that. I have not been able to find a good antenna, a good stubby, to replace the big antenna. The first stubby that I bought, the reception was great, but the fitment was not great. It wasn't for the 2015 and forward cars. I'll put a link above me that takes you back to that video. You can check out what I'm going through with these antennas. The reason I want a stubby antenna is because I want to get a spoiler. When you put up the trunk, the spoiler hits the antenna. So the solution was going to be get a stubby. But the thing is this, these billet aluminum stubby antennas, electrically they don't have the right frequency as a full length or a half length or quarter length FM antenna, so the reception is really bad. If anyone knows of a stubby antenna that has, I guess it's called a loaded coil, electronics in it to kind of fine-tune the frequency that it is supposed to receive so you can get good reception on the FM band, I would love to hear from you. So far I've run out of resources, so I'm looking for a good, reliable stubby antenna for 2015 and forward with good reception. If you have some info, let me know down below. I have a mod for the Mustang. I'm kind of excited about this. I purchased a Racer X Fabrication oil catch can. Now, I know there's a lot of oil catch cans out there, and I pretty much read up on just about every one that I could find, and I decided to go with this company called Racer X. It's built in the United States. It looks like it's very good quality. One of the reasons that I went with it is I wanted one that actually mounts to the body. I wanted one with a larger capacity. I believe that this one holds 8 ounces. And in addition, there's 2 other features that I really feel set this apart. The first is it has a glass window that lets you look in at any time and see what the oil level is in there, so you can just check it to see if it needs to be emptied. The second is there's a stopcock valve at the bottom, so you can easily empty it. You open up the stopcock, it drains out the oil, close it, and you're good to go. So please stay tuned to the channel. I'm looking forward to posting my review and the installation process. Okay, this Saturday, I had a good time this Saturday. I went down to Gateway Motors in Deptford, New Jersey to the YouTube subscriber event. StangMode sponsored an event down there. There was lots of Mustangs. I saw some great cars. I met some good people. I have to compliment the YouTubers that I met. These guys are gentlemen. They all took time to chat. StangMode, Tunnel Chaser, Gold Pony, Xander 13. It was very nice meeting all of you. It was a great time. So, you know, thank you to StangMode and the other people that teamed together to organize it. Thank you to Gateway for hosting it. They have a fantastic eclectic mix of really, really cool cars. I'm gonna give you a little montage of some of the different cars that I saw outside. Then we're gonna go inside. We're gonna take a look at some of the fantastic cars that are available at Gateway Motors. And then we'll finish it up by taking a look at some of the YouTubers' cars. Thanks for watching. I appreciate all my supporters. If you like the video, like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, check out my past videos. Please, please, please leave your comments below. Thanks, be good, be well, be safe, and we will talk to you very soon. I'm here with Seal, and she has a special Mustang to tell us a little story about. So Seal, how did you end up with the topless Tigger?
Topless Tiggers, I had Mustangs for a long time. I had a blue one, so when it came time to get the new one, I was hemming and hawing between red and orange. Drove past the dealership on a cloudy Sunday afternoon, and this orange car was sitting there, and it just, amongst the grays and the whites and the blacks, it just stood out.
Wow, just wow. Look at this. I love this paint color. This blue looks amazing. Another one. They just keep on going. I think I am in Mustang Row. What? It's a 203, not a 302? Now, is this considered a cousin of the Mustang? Hey guys, I'm here with Captain America with his beautiful, what year is it?
2015.
2015 Mustang. And this car is a veteran's tribute. Would you say that?
Pretty much, to America.
To America.
And our veterans, definitely.
Oh, this is just beautiful, guys.
Fiber optics on the interior and it's LEDs under the hood. I painted the carbon fiber, yes, and then left it open right there.
Beautiful. So this is what it looks like
under there.
All forward.
Yeah.